we try braking now? Kill it?
5.3.
Ah, that one fell faster than the other one though. I wasn't recording on that one that I went 4.9.